Hey man, it's time to sit back and reflect and talk about, you know what I'm saying, some of the OG colorways that Nike and Jordan brand brought back to us. So sit back, relax, let's jump into these OG colorways, man. Let's get into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. I'm sorry my voice is gone a little bit. I'm supposed to been record this video, but you guys know, man, the Chiefs, y'all see the Chiefs. Y'all see the Chiefs gear, man. We had an early game over in Frankfurt, Germany, and let's just say it was a crazy second half, and your boy was screaming, kind of lost my voice, but just bear with me in today's video, man. If you are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. Your likes go a long way. Let's get the goal up to 500 likes every single video. I know we can do it. We just that crazy 80K on the channel. You guys know we'll be doing a giveaway here very, very soon. Stay tuned, have notification bell on, because we'll be going live giving that pair away, man. It's happening, bro. I promise y'all, it's happening. We giving a pair away, and it's going to be a shock drop here soon over those Gratitude 11. Stay tuned for that. Like I said, by hitting that notification bell. So you guys know this year, we kind of got, you know what I'm saying, we got some OG colorways, and we also got some OG colorways with a little twist to it. And I kind of want to highlight all the OG colorways that we did get this year, kind of ranking them, you know, racking and stacking, seeing how these joints is hitting for me and what's some of my favorite. All right, guys, so for the first one, bro, the first one we have, you guys see the box, you got the Jordan up top, man. Y'all should know exactly what came in these joints. Y'all know I was going crazy for these. Had these a little bit early on the channel, and I was able to secure my size 9.5, bro, which is, you know what I'm saying, I had to do it, bro. We had to do it, and we have the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. Now these things right here, bro, they speak for themselves, bro. The playoff 8 speaks for themselves. You guys know all the damage Jordan did with these things on court, and I'm telling y'all, bro, when I seen that we were going to be getting these in 2023, I was all over it, bro. And then, you know, I couldn't get my size early. It was only seemed like they only had the big sizes early, and then they did a shock drop, and then that's how I did, you know, secure my pair, one of my most anticipated pickups of the year. You're gonna see my rankings 1 through, what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got about 6 OG colorways, and I'm gonna be ranking all these joints. But let me know how you feel about these joints, man. Air Jordan 8 playoffs, probably gonna be people's favorite, bro. People's favorite drop of the year, some people's favorite sneaker of the year, all that crazy stuff. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 8 playoff things, man. All right, man, next you guys see it, bro. You know we just got this release. They switched up the box just a little bit with the writing on the side, man, but it's the Air Jordan 12, bro. You should know exactly what OG Air Jordan 12 dropped this year. This is a sneaker that Jordan got sauced up by Allen Iverson, man, and here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 12 cherries, bro. Look how beautiful these things is, man. Look how beautiful these cherry 12s is, bro. Like, I tried to double up. Quick little story, man. I hit on my second account on the sneakers app because I couldn't buy another pair because I hit on this shock drop on my, you know what I'm saying, my standard account. And next thing you know, bro, I went to go check the tracking and make sure, you know what I'm saying, my shipping address was good. And lo and behold, bro, I had the wrong shipping address. But I had my old crib on there. So I had to do a whole, you know what I'm saying, discussion with Nike. I had to wait for them to ship it and then get it rerouted back to Nike's facility, and that's still an ongoing process, bro. So hopefully sometime soon I do get my double up, bro. Mostly the shoes you guys see shown today, I do have double ups on. Who knows, next time we're gonna be getting these OG colorways to drop again. Gonna be beating a pair up. Gotta have a fresh, crispy pair when the time does come. And I cannot find a box for these joints, but these kind of went under radar, bro. They released earlier this year. I think this is the first OG colorway to drop of 2023. They started off with a banger, and we have the Air Jordan 13 playoffs, bro. You know, last year we got the He Got Games, and this year they hit us with the playoff 13 things, bro. Like, when the next time we gonna get a playoff 13 and a playoff 8 in the same year, bro? Jordan brand, they really gave us what we wanted, you feel me? And these right here came truest to form, bro. One of the truest to form releases of the year, I must say. And I've been beating this pair up, bro. I know it kind of look clean, huh? It kind of look clean on the camera, maybe because the light is bright. I'm telling y'all, bro, I've been wearing these so much, got creases all up in these things. And this is probably the only one that you guys see in today's video that I did not double up on, bro. But let me know, you had to have these, bro. Did you double up? Did you triple up? Did you even secure a pair at all, man? 13s are not high on anybody's radar just because it is a 13. But me, bro, had to have these things. They had to come to the collection. And one of my favorite 13s of all time is the playoff joints right here, man. Like I said in the intro, bro, we got some OG colorways that did get a little twist to them, and that is the Reimagined twist. And you guys know I had to show it, bro. My favorite shoe of the year, the sneaker of the year for your boy The Vintage, is these Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, bro. The white cement things, bro. You guys know what Jordan was doing in these, man. Check them out. I'm turning the brightness down real quick. Hold on. I gotta let y'all see the quality, man. This pair is the one that came with the messed up, defected elephant print, but that's neither here nor there, bro. We ain't talking about the quality. We talking about the colorway specifically. Like I said, this had a little twist to it. They gave us the aged Nike Air tab on the back. They gave us the aged midsole, but nonetheless, I'm telling y'all, bro, this is the best sneaker to drop this year, in my opinion. You guys let me know if you agree. Let me know what you think your favorite sneaker of the year is, as far as, you know, sneakerheads in general, bro. I'm just gonna throw it out there. I think that this right here is the best sneaker to drop all year, bro. So the other OG Reimagined that we got this year is the Air Jordan 1 Royals, man. And I'm telling y'all, bro, this had to have been the biggest flop from Nike's perspective. I'm not talking about the resale. I know I kind of titled yesterday's video a little controversial, but I'm talking about Nike's in as far as flop. They made too many pairs. I think they dropped like 673,000 pairs. That was just on the sneakers app, bro. Just on the sneakers app, nearly, you know what I'm saying, 700,000 pairs dropped. And they're all still sitting currently on the sneakers app if you did want to secure a pair. But if I was y'all, I would definitely wait for the thing to go on sale. Hopefully here within the next couple of weeks, bro, you see some flash sales, some 25% codes on Nike, all that good stuff, just so they can get some of the stock off. And you definitely gonna see these all in Nike outlets near you coming very soon, man. So, you know what I'm saying, probably the least favorite Air Jordan 1 of the year, and probably the least favorite OG colorway with the twist that they did throw on this Reimagined look. And then the last OG colorway that did release this year, not the last one, but the last one we're gonna be showing you guys today. You guys please let me know if I did miss any of the OG colorways. I feel like I did, but then again, I feel like I don't. But if it did, man, go ahead and comment down below. But the latest and greatest, man, check it out, bruh. The Air Jordan 1 Satin breads, man. We got the bread colorway yet again. You guys know last year we got the patent bread joints. That was a part of the Reimagined series. And I don't think the satin breads was a part of the Reimagined look because these did release before. But this one was a women's exclusive, you know what I'm saying? So if you were not extended sizing, you were not able to secure these joints. But definitely one of my favorite pickups of the year. One of my favorite Air Jordan 1s in general, bro. I know I already got the patent bread joints, but if I had to rank, you know what I'm saying, the patents or the satins, bro, the satins definitely taking the cake for me, man. So here you have it, bro. So now we're gonna be rating these things 1 through 6, man. And for number 6, I have to say, bro, it has to be the Air Jordan 1 Royal joints. Like I said, man, probably one of the biggest flops. Too many pairs dropped, and the suede, wasn't feeling too much. Number 5, y'all might bash me a little bit, but I would have to throw in the satin breads. And then number 4, it would have to be the Air Jordan 13 playoff. Number 3 was really, really tough, man. But for number 3, it's gonna have to be the Air Jordan 8 playoff things, bro. Still a super, super dope OG colorway. I love them. And of course, number 2 being the cherry things. I need a double up of these, but nonetheless, number 2 on my rankings for the OG colorway. And you already know what the number 1, my favorite, was, and it is the Reimagined Air Jordan 3 white cements, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Again, let me know down below in the comment section if I missed any OG colorways. Let me know which OG colorways you picked up this year. Very interested in knowing. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. I know we can do it. So go crazy in the comment section. Go crazy on that like button. And go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel if you have not subscribed already. I appreciate all the support. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.